Hello everyone, I am Vijay Kumar, 2nd BBA from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today I will talk about operation research, 2 mark theory questions. First of all, we will see about define operation research. Operation research is a scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. Operation research is the art of winning wars without actually fighting them. Define game theory. A competitive situation is called a game. There are finite number of competitors called players. Define saddle point. In a game, if the maximum value is equal to the minimax value, then the game is said to have a saddle point. If the game has a saddle point, then each player has a pure strategy. What is 2% zero sum game? In a game with two players, if the gain of one player is equal to the loss of another player, then it is called 2% zero sum game. What is the value of the game? If the game has a saddle point, then the value of the cell at the saddle point, it is called the value of the game. What is pure strategy? If the best strategy for each player is to play one particular strategy throughout the game, it is called pure strategy game. What is mixed strategy? If the optimal plan for each player is to choose different strategies at different situations, the game is called a mixed strategy game. There is no saddle point, then the strategy is a mixed strategy. What are the types of strategy? Pure strategy, mixed strategy. What do you mean by transportation model? It is a special type of linear programming model in which the goods are shipped from various origins to different destinations. The objective is to find the best possible. What is feasible solution? A feasible solution to a transportation problem is a set of non-negative allegations that satisfies the rim restrictions. What is basic feasible solution? A feasible solution to a transportation problem is said to be a basic feasible solution if it contains no more than m plus n minus 1 non-negative allegations. Define optimal solution in transportation problem. A feasible solution is said to be optimal. It is minimize the total transportation cost. What are the methods used in transportation problem to obtain the initial basic feasible solution? Northwest corner rule, lowest cost entry method or matrix minima method, Vogel's approximation method, row minima method, column minima method. What is non-degenerate basic feasible solution? A basic feasible solution to a transportation problem is said to be non-degenerate if the total number of non-negative allegation is exactly m plus n minus 1. What do you understand by degeneracy in a transportation problem? If the number of occupied cells in a m into n transportation problem is less than m plus n minus 1, then the problem is said to be degenerate. What is balanced transportation problem and unbalanced transportation problem? When the sum of supply is equal to demands, then the problem is said to be balanced transportation problem. A transportation problem is said to be unbalanced if the total supply is not equal to the total demand. I hope all you understand. Thank you.